In this video, I'm going to be walking you through Wawamer. Now, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a software that helps you automatically warm up multiple WhatsApp accounts using AI so you can avoid temporary bans, message limits, and all the headaches that comes with operating new WhatsApp accounts. So you can come over to their website right here, or you can click on the first link down in the description. Once you click on that link, you're going to be redirected to this page, and over here you can see it says free WhatsApp warm-up to box sender with anti-ban protection, and over here you can see some more details about the software. Okay, so it's basically a software that helps you warm up new WhatsApp accounts so you can avoid bans and run multiple accounts, and I'm going to talk more about that somewhere around this video. So you can literally come over to their website right here. Once you're here, you basically want to go ahead and click on download. From here you can download this software for your device. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and download this for Windows, and once it's done downloading, I want to basically go ahead and install the software to my computer. So once you install the software, you are going to land on an interface that looks like this, and from here they're going to have you sign into your account. So first off, if you want to log in multiple accounts inside of the software, you can easily come over here and click on this icon here, and once this opens up, you can come down here and click on plus, and once you click on plus, you can easily come over here and click on confirm, and it's going to create a new window for you. And once that new window is created, you can easily log in another account from this window. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this by right clicking and clicking on remove account. Next, we have the groups section. You can click on this drop down arrow and actually create groups to organize your account. So let's say I'm warming up multiple accounts to do my marketing. I can easily organize everything in the marketing group and create a group, and once I click on that, I can easily organize my accounts by clicking on none here and setting this to a particular group, in this case the marketing group. Okay, so this actually helps you organize your account so you can know exactly what each account is for. You can also create another group. Let's say you're warming up your WhatsApp group for support, you can also do that here and create a group for that. What this actually helps you to do is to keep things organized so you can know exactly what each WhatsApp account is for. So that's it for the group section. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all these groups. So next we have the start section. So you can actually sort this by signed in, which is accounts that signed in, and over here you can also sort this by unsigned, which is accounts that is logged in but not currently signed in. So what that basically means is an account that's logged in inside of your computer but got logged out. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on all stats, and that's it for all these sections. So I'm going to close this back, and we are going to talk about the proxy section. So you can literally come over to the proxy section here, and once you click on proxy settings, you can click over to proxy settings on top and click on add proxy, and from here you want to go ahead and give your proxy a name. So I can give this US proxy. Next, I want to select the proxy protocol by clicking on this drop down, and over here you can see all the proxy protocols that they have. So for this example, I'm going to choose SOCKS 5. Once I choose the SOCKS 5 protocol, I want to basically go ahead and fill out my proxy information like my host, port, username, and password. So you can literally copy those information from your proxy provider, and once you input that information, you can literally come down here and click on save, and once you click on save, you are going to have a proxy. And what that allows you to do is it actually allows you to log in your WhatsApp account from a different IP address using your proxy. So once you set your proxy, you can literally come down here and click on plus, and once you click on plus, you can select the proxy you've added, and once you select the proxy, you can literally click on confirm, and your WhatsApp account is going to be logged in to the IP address of your proxy. And over here you can see all the information of your device. So that is for the proxy section. Next, we are going to talk about warm up tags. So you can come over here and click on warm up tags and click over here where it says manage rules, and once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to this page. Now over here we have 7-day fast warm up, 14-day standard warm up, 21-day advanced warm up, and account pool warm up. And over here you can see how long they warm up your account. These three are self warm up, and the last one is pool warm up, and I'm going to explain exactly what all this means. Okay, so you can actually create your own custom rules by clicking on new rule on the top, and once you click on that, you are going to be redirected straight to this page. Now over here you are going to have to name your rules. So let's name this the test rule. You can name it whatever you want, so you can use the name to actually remember this rule. So once you name your rule, you can set this on self warm up, team warm up, or pool warm up. And if you don't know what any of this means, you can literally hover onto this question mark icon and you see what they all mean. So self warm up basically means accounts logged into this device chat with other device. Team warm up means accounts on different devices within the same team chat. And finally, pool warm up actually means your account interact with external high quality accounts provided by the system. So if you don't have a team and you still want to warm up your account, the best option is to go for the pool warm up, which means your account chats with other accounts. After that, you have the daily limit. So this basically means when you want your account to warm up. The default settings is normally good. Next, we have the message intervals. This basically means how long you want your account to delay to avoid frequent sending. So next we have the AI language. Now it's on Chinese. You can click on this drop down and put this on English. And finally we have the warm up period. So you can click on this drop down arrow and set how long you want the AI to warm up your account. So in this case I'm going to leave it on 28 days, but you can do whatever you want. Now the rest of the configuration are good by default. You don't have to worry about any of those. And once you are done with this, you can literally come down here and click on save config, and you are going to have your own custom rule. So that's basically it about setting these rules. And if you still don't understand what the rule means, it's basically how you want the AI to warm up your account. So once you are done with this part, you can head back, and from here you can actually create tags, and I'm going to show you exactly what that means. So once you are on the warm up tab, you can click on new tags, and once you click on new tags, you can give your tags a name. So let's be like test tags 1. So once you give your tags a name, you are going to go ahead and select the rule you want to use for these tags. Now over here is where we have our rule, and you can see the test rule we created. So you can use this one, or you can use the one that they already have. Okay, so once you set your rule, you can go ahead and select the WhatsApp account you want to warm. So all your accounts are going to be displayed here, and you can actually search for your WhatsApp account using your nickname or your phone number on this tab. And not only that, you can also pull up your WhatsApp account by groups. So let's say you've already grouped your WhatsApp account, you can actually sort that here and warm up your accounts by group. So I can easily come here and click on the one WhatsApp account I want to warm up, and I can come over here and click on start now, and it's going to immediately start warming up my account using this rule that I've set here. Not only that, I can also come over here and click on create now, and once I click on that, I can easily come over here and click on display icon to start the rule. And once I click on that, it's going to start warming up the account immediately. And this other icon allows me to view the tags and see what it has done so far. So over here it's going to show me the account it has successfully completed, the message it has sent so far today, and total message it has replied. So that's what this icon helps you to do. And you can actually duplicate these tags by clicking on this icon, and over here you can edit the tags by clicking on this edit icon, and down here you can stop the tags. Okay, you can start the tags and you can stop the tags, and finally you can click on this trash icon to delete the tags. So that's all there is to know about the warm up tab. Now we are going to move over to the dashboard section. So I'm going to click on the dashboard section, and I'm going to explain exactly what all this means. Okay, so first off, we have the port usage section. Now this basically means how many accounts you have logged in and the amount of space you have left. So for example, I personally have a space of 5 accounts, and I've logged in 1 account. That's why it's saying 5 out of 1, and over here it's showing 20% because I've used 20% of my ports. So next we have today's messages sent and received. So that basically means how many messages have your accounts sent and received. And over here we have today's disconnected account. After the today's disconnected account, we have the warmed up account. This basically means accounts that are successfully warmed up. So next you have the column section. Now you can click on this and select the columns you want. So over here are your columns. So we have the group, proxy, friends, and everything in between. So if you want to remove some columns, you can click on those settings here. Let's say I don't find the friends column useful, I can uncheck these friends and uncheck interaction day, and what that will do is it's going to remove that column, and I can only focus on the useful columns. So after the column section, you have the group management section. Now you can click on this folder here and actually organize your groups. Now this group and the first group we talked about are not actually the same groups. So you can come down here and click on this folder on the group management section and add a group. So let's do a hello group. You can name this whatever you want. Let's say this is for your marketing support or whatever. You can name it whatever you want. Once I add that, I can literally come down here and click on create, and this actually helps me to organize my account. So let's say you successfully warmed up your account and you want to organize your regular account from the warmed up account. You can come over here and click on details, and once you click on that, click on this drop down arrow. Let's say this hello group is where you keep all your warmed up account. You can go ahead and organize it by clicking on here, and once you see this group, you know all your WhatsApp accounts in this group are completely warmed up. And on the remark section, you can come down here and write warmed up and ready. So once you put your remark, you can click on this drop down arrow and set the stage. Now over here we have not started, warming, completed, and the rest. So I can set this on completed, and I can also add warm up record. So I can literally copy this here, paste it in, and click on save, and it's actually going to record this with dates. So this actually helps you stay organized, so you know exactly what WhatsApp accounts are ready. Now, one cool feature I like about this site is that they have a one-click warm-up feature. I just showed you everything there is to know about this site, but let's say you don't want to click all the random buttons, you just want to have this software warm up your account. You can easily log in all your accounts by clicking on this plus, and once you log in all your accounts, you can go ahead and click on the dashboard section. Now, once you click on the dashboard section, you want to go ahead and click on one-click warm-up. Now, once you click on that, you see right here it says one tax-free account detected. The following preset rule will be automatically assigned. Now, what this means is it's going to automatically detect all your accounts that are not currently warming up. And if you actually want to manually select the account, you can come down here and check the accounts and click on one-click warm-up, and over here you see it says one account selected manually. So you can manually select the account, or you can literally come over here and click on one-click warm-up, and it's going to do everything for you. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and select the rule. So remember that test rule we created a few moments ago? You can come over here and use it and click on start warm-up, and it's going to start warming up your account with just a few clicks. And if you don't want to use the test rule, you can click on this change rule here and select a rule you want to use. So you can select a rule you want to use and go ahead and click on start, and literally start warming up your account. So that's one thing I like about this software. So you don't have to go ahead and set all the random complicated settings. It's just going to warm up all your accounts and get it ready for you. So I'm going to wrap this video up here because I've pretty much explained everything you need to know. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value out of the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to talk to every single one of you all in the next video. Peace.